Yeah, my science bros.
What's up, guys?
The end is near.
Today, we're going to be cooking
Pancakes.
pancakes. Alright, so we'll wing it because I'm just that good at making pancakes.
2 eggs.
Right,
so first, guys, you want 100 grams of flour. That's about.
Oh, we need to.
That's about this much.
It's like just. Well, that'll do. Anyway. I've already made the flour, but like for like education purposes. Just that good at making pancakes.
300 grams of milk. Milliliters, not grams. Don't be grams.
Now we're gonna hop on music. Your girl keeps calling us music.
Shush, neither.
No, but we're into doing physics. Oh, I'm getting a job.
It's already.
How much was it as well?
300. Paddy. Oh my god, you're bang on.
That was well good. Oh, I just kicked the dog.
Bosh.
Pinch salt. I'm getting salt.
What oil are we using? You know.
Salt. Oh, that's been coming out the whole time. Oh, shit. Oil. Oh, my mum bought this like really like expensive.
Your co-worker.
Look at this really. Look at this really expensive olive oil.
Expensive olive oil.
Vanilla extract.
I still got the label.
No.
Still got the label.
Don't worry, Mitch. It'll do. Ow! I smashed my arm on the table. Alright, we need a whisk.
Did you even put any? It's not a whisk.
Yes, it does. Watch. Just. Listen to my knees. Well, listen to my knees.
Juvenile arthritis, a condition that affects children under the age of 16. Although it is a rare disease, JIA affects 1 in 10,000 children in the UK. Some symptoms may include cracky knees, joint pain, rashes and fevers and so on. Let's look out for these symptoms in our children and help raise awareness for this terrible condition. Every little helps, at Tesco. I hope you enjoyed this epic Poggers Gamer moment. Let's have some W's in the chat for our homeboys, the Science Brothers.
Tell them why pancakes form like pancakes. Why is flour?
Alexa!
It is caused by physical and chemical reactions in the cake batter of 2 types. When heated and mixed with water, starches present in the flour will undergo a process called gelatinization, in which water is absorbed in the structure. This will cause the batter to set from a liquid into a solid.
Okay, I didn't need to look that up because I'm such a professional science bro. Way around my own kitchen. Mate, where's the pan? Yes! all of it.
Can't.
No, not like that. It's like this. Yeah. Move them around the. Oh. Fill up the whole pan like a real G. Like a. Oh my god! Not all of it.
Is this on?
That is on. I think I know how to use my kitchen actually. I can't my own way around my own kitchen.
My kitchen. My kitchen now. Paddy, I think we need to flip it. It should look a lot like this.
I better start clearing up my G.
Oh, this looks banging, to be fair. Oh, but you still got some mixture left, Paddy.
What? To
Get a plate.
Get a dough ball.
Get a plate, please.
Huh?
Get a plate. Oh, these goggles.
What if you poured all of it?
We're just making pancakes on a lovely evening. Oh my god. Nothing's happened. Can we split?
Why have you done this?
We can split it in half and it's like a pancake.
Watch this. Move.
Attackers. This isn't professional. You're just ruining it at this point. Flip it. Flip it. Seed it. Just
We'll burn off the bacteria. It's so slippery.
I wanna do it, God. Paddy, it's done.
No, it's not.
It's done.
Try a bit.
Guys, this is what your pancake should look like.
You may serve it with Nutella, honey, Buckwood classic maple syrup from Canada, sugar, and lemon.
Coleman's mostly.
How did you do the renegade?
Right.
You may eat with knife, spoon, and a hedge trimmer. So guys, it's been a while. Is that actually nice though?
Yeah. Let me finish. Nice. You know it's mad, 'cause like, everyone's got eyes, nose, mouth and ears, but like, we all look different. That's mad, isn't it? Oh my god.
My name is Cleveland Brown, and I am proud to be right back in my hometown with my new family. There's old friends and new friends and even a bear. Through good times and bad times, it's true love we share. And so I found a place where everyone will know my happy mustache face. This is the Cleveland Show.
You know there's a minimal fee if you're gonna roll with me. You don't know shit about science, you might have to call the police. Do you even have any GCSEs?